Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Morning everybody. How are you today? I think you are fine, healthy, and strong to face the bad condition. And we hope together the situation will be better than before. And I hope you are not boring to join the English program every week. Okay, today now I will give you a material passive voice. Do you know passive voice? Passive voice daring learning for 11th grade. Do you know passive voice? Passive voice. Passive voice is the sentence. Passive voice itu kalimat pasif yang kalimatnya atau subjeknya melakukan sesuatu atau dikenai pekerjaan. The general pattern of passive voice atau secara umum rumusnya yaitu to be plus verb ketiga. But in detail, secara detail, passive voice, there are several patterns of passive voice based on the tenses. Okay, look at the pattern of passive voice. Look at the pattern of passive voice. Okay. The pattern. The pattern of passive voice. The pattern of passive voice. Present tense. Present tense. Do you know present tense? Present tense. Present is kegiatan yang dilakukan sehari-hari. Kegiatan yang dilakukan sehari-hari. Ini pattern of passive voice. Present by subject, verb 1 SOS object. Subject, verb 1 is object. S di sini atau ES untuk subjek he, she, it. Kemudian yang tanpa S yaitu you, they. Menjadi pasifnya to be-nya yaitu present itu am for subject I, and then S-nya he, she, it. Kemudian I yaitu you, they. Okay, and masa lampau atau kegiatan yang dilakukan pada masa lampau. Subject, and then verb 2, object. Ini like number 1 present, but to be is different. To be-nya was so subject I, you, we, they, and I, he, she, it was, and then were, you, we, they. By pattern object, to be-nya was, were, and then verb ketiga by subject. Okay, next number 3, present continuous. Present continuous sedang dilakukan yaitu subject to be-nya the same with am, is, are, and then verb ing sedang dilakukan, kemudian by subject. Ini the same with number 1 am, is, are. Kemudian object to be if continuous yang dilakukan tambah being, verb ketiga by subject. Number 4, present perfect tense. Sudah dilakukan. Cirinya yaitu by have for subject are, you, we, they. And then has-nya for subject he, she, it. By pattern, subject have or has, verb ketiga, and then object. Pasifnya object have or has, setelah have or has tambah been, verb ketiga by subject. And the last, future. Future, the planning for the future. Rencana yang akan datang. Itu by will, after will verb 1, after verb 1 object. Kemudian pasifnya object, objeknya ditaruh paling depan, and then will, setelah will after ditambah be, verb ketiga by subject. Will can be replaced atau bisa diganti dengan can, may, must, and the other model. Ini caranya sama dengan future tense. Okay, this pattern about passive voice, and then I will give you the example of passive. Okay, there are 5 numbers. There are 5 numbers from present tense. Dina join the English program today. Oke, objeknya English. Nih, English program ini sebenarnya English program. Kemudian setelah English program tambah is, ini to be-nya. Kemudian join-nya. Ini join-nya. Ditambah ed menjadi verb ketiga by subject, D-nya ditaruh di belakang, and then today at verb of time. Okay, number 1 present tense. Number 2 past tense. Mother arranged the table with her daughter. Mother subject, and then area-nya verb, the table-nya object, and with her daughter adverb. Oke, the table-nya sini objeknya, kemudian to be-nya was, after was verb ketiga arrange, after that mother-nya dari yang subjek menjadi objek, by mother with her daughter. Oke, number 3. They are discussing the lesson in the classroom. Ada subjek they, kemudian are discussing the lesson in the classroom. Diskusinya sedang melakukan sesuatu, the lessonnya objek, and then in the classroom adverb of please. Sekarang the lessonnya ditaruh di depan, paling depan, kemudian to be-nya is. Setelah is ditambah being, after being, discuss, verb ketiga, they-nya menjadi them, in the classroom-nya masih sama. Pelajaran itu sedang didiskusikan oleh mereka di ruang kelas. Okay, the next number, Irsal has finished his work 2 hours ago. Irsal subject, and then has finished, itu present perfect tense. And then his work-nya object, kemudian 2 hours ago-nya adverb of time. Objeknya menjadi subjek, has work by has. Kenapa has? Because his work cuma satu, maka menjadi has. Setelah have ditambah been, finish-nya verb ketiga, irsalnya dari subjek menjadi objek by irsal. 2 hours ago, adverb of time yang ditaruh paling belakang. Okay, the last, number 5, Davin will write many numbers with the others. Will di sini adalah future. Setelah will verb pertama, kemudian many numbers ada objeknya, many numbers, with objeknya ditaruh paling depan many numbers, and then will, setelah will-nya ditambah be, setelah be, verb ketiga dari kata write, di sini dari kata write menjadi written, kemudian by double with the others. Ini kurang sebenarnya dengan with the others. Okay, everybody, I think that's all about my presentation about passive voice. If you have difficulties, you have problem in the passive voice, please consult with Bumi or send WA to my Google Classroom. And in the last I give you the exercise and I share it in the Google Classroom. And before that, the last note, the last note to be M pro subject I, kemudian A, you, we, there, is-nya untuk he, she, it, was-nya untuk past tense untuk I, he, she, it, kemudian has-nya untuk he, she, it juga, kemudian have-nya I, you, we, there. Ini kurang were-nya adalah you, we, there, the same way to be I. Okay. I take conclusion about passive voice. The pattern of passive voice to be plus verb ketiga. There are 5 in the present, and then continuous tense, past tense, present perfect, and the last future. And the last I say Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.